Hi, my name is Michael Jones. I'm the UCCE Cooperative Extension Forest Advisor for Mendocino and Sonoma Counties. I'm currently standing at the Hopland Research and Extension Center, or HREC, and I'm up the hill from the main campus in an area that was impacted by the Mendocino complex fires last year. So I'm a relatively new advisor with UCCE Extension, and I found HREC to be a very valuable resource in developing my program, not only for research efforts, but also in outreach education programs. They're really very supportive and collaborative in that sense. One of the first things I did when I started last year was to come up here and establish some long-term plots looking at oak woodland regeneration survival following impacts from the fire. It's a really unique place to work. It's approximately 5,000 acres in size, 2/3 of which were burned in the fires. There's 11 oak species that occur here naturally, everything from blue oak woodlands down at lower elevations to black oak madrone stands higher on the site. And so there's lots of interesting research opportunities to explore, looking at forest health, oak woodland regeneration survival, fir encroachment, insects, and disease. So it's a pretty great place to come. Not only is it awesome to work in the forest, but these views and weather is pretty awesome. So it's hard to complain. There's also a really long history of research here, everything from looking at oak woodlands and oak species in general, forest health, insects, disease, tick research, rangeland ecology, wildlife, birds. Boy, the list goes on. So there's lots of really great research going on up here. And that means there's lots of really great researchers to collaborate with. So I've been working with some on looking at how the fire impacted tick populations and wildlife and birds and all kinds of cool stuff. So I think it's a great place to come and do research. The staff and facilities are fantastic. They're really agreeable and willing to work with you in developing your program. They have great facilities to help build equipment if you need it, to maintain equipment, to repair equipment, and to keep long-term projects running and safe. And they have the people on staff to man those projects and help maintain them even if you can't always be here. So I think it's a great place to work and conduct research. It's been a great resource. They have awesome places to host meetings. They have the Shippy Hall. It's a really beautiful facility and has been a great place to host workshops. So I think if you're interested in doing research in kind of a really unique habitat type with lots of opportunities and post-fire ecology questions compared to areas that weren't burned, or even just working in areas that haven't been burned, I think it's a really great place to work, and I encourage people to come check it out and develop some research programs. Not only do they have great facility and staff, but there's a great community citizen volunteer program, and so it's just an awesome place to work. So I encourage people to come here and check out the views.